Jet lag is not just feeling tired, it's not just poor sleep, it's not just travel stress. Jet lag is a temporary brain disorder caused by time. And most people underestimate what it actually does to their mind. If you've ever landed after a long flight and felt confused, slow, irritable, emotionally off, or unable to think clearly, that wasn't weakness, that was biology. Today, as an aviation medical spin officer, I'm going to explain simply and calmly what jet lag really does to your brain, why it happens, and most importantly, at the end of this video, I'll reveal a clear science-based reset plan that helps your brain recover faster after any long haul flight. So stay with me because this will change how you travel forever. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding. Jet lag is not caused by flying. It is caused by your brain being confused about time. Inside your brain is a tiny control center called the circadian clock. Think of it as your body's internal timekeeper. It controls sleep and wake cycles, focus and alertness, mood and emotions, memory and learning, hormones, body temperature. So this clock is synced to light and darkness. When you fly across time zones, your body arrives, but your brain does not. So your brain still thinks it is yesterday, and that's where the problem begins. Now, let's talk about the fear most people don't realize. Jet lag directly affects your thinking ability. When your circadian rhythm is disrupted, your brain struggles to communicate properly. Research shows that jet lag can cause slower reaction time, reduced attention span, poor decision making, memory lapses, difficulty concentrating. So this is why after long flights, people forget simple things, feel mentally foggy, make mistakes, feel not like themselves. This is not imaginary. This is measurable brain function change. So your brain cells rely on timing, and when timing is off, performance drops. Now let's go deeper, but still simple. Your brain uses chemicals to stay awake and alert, and one of them is cortisol, another is melatonin. So cortisol helps you wake up and focus. Melatonin helps you stay sleepy and recover. So jet lag disrupts both. So your brain may release melatonin during the daytime and cortisol at night. This is why you feel sleepy during meetings, wide awake at 2 a.m., and exhausted in the morning. So your brain is firing signals at the wrong time. Now, here is something important. Jet lag also affects your emotions. Many travelers report feeling irritable, anxious, sad, or unusually sensitive. That's because the emotional centers of your brain are closely linked to your circadian rhythm. Thank you, sir. And when that rhythm is broken, emotional balance becomes unstable. This is why small things feel overwhelming. And when you are jet lagged, you understand? And again, this is not weakness, this is neuroscience. Now let's talk about memory. During normal sleep, your brain organizes memories. Jet lag disrupts this process, and as a result, new information is harder to remember. Learning becomes slower. Mental clarity drops. So this is why jet lag is especially dangerous for business travelers, students, pilots, medical professionals. Anything requiring sharp thinking suffers. Now, here's the good news. Jet lag is temporary. Your brain is flexible. It can reset, but only if you help it correctly. And this is where most people get it wrong. Many travelers try to sleep it off. That really works. The brain doesn't reset by force, it resets by signals. And the strongest signal is light. But this brings us to the science part, but still makes simple. Your circadian rhythm is controlled mainly by light exposure, not food, not caffeine, not willpower. So light tells your brain what time it is. So when you land in a new time zone, your brain needs new light cues. Without them, it stays confused. This is why jet lag can last 2 days, 5 days, or even more. So now let's get practical. Here is the reset plan. Simple, safe, and science-based. This is the part most people never hear. Step 1. Control lights, not sleep. On your first day after landing, expose yourself to daylight in the morning if you travel east. Then expose yourself to late afternoon light if you travel west. Even 20 to 30 minutes helps. Light resets your brain faster than sleep ever will. Step 2. Eat according to local time. Your digestive system has its own clock. Eating at local meal times helps your brain adjust faster. Even if you are not hungry, small meals help reset timing. Step 3. Hydration matters more than caffeine. Dehydration worsens brain fog. Drink water regularly. Limit caffeine after local afternoon hours. Caffeine late in the day delays brain recovery. Step 4. Short naps only if needed. If you must nap, keep it under 30 minutes. Avoid late evening naps. Long naps confuse your circadian rhythm further. Step 5. Use darkness deliberately. At night, dim light. Avoid bright phone screens. Create darkness. Darkness tells your brain it's time to reset. Optional but helpful. Eye mask, blue light reduction, quiet environment. Now, here is something powerful. Most people think jet lag is unavoidable suffering. It is not. It is a timing problem, and timing can be corrected. When you understand what jet lag really does to your brain, you stop fighting your body and start working with it. And recovery becomes faster, calmer, and easier. Flying across time zone doesn't damage your brain. It temporarily confuses it, and confusion can be corrected. So if this video helped you understand your body better, subscribe to Health Aviation. On this channel, we break down aviation health topics in simple language, without fear, without exaggeration, and without science, and with science you can trust. Because when you understand your body, flying becomes less stressful and far more comfortable. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.